After 3 years of development and validation, Agroscope has perfected a molecular method for virus detection to replace the traditional ELISA immunological assays. This new method, called real-time PCR, makes use of cutting-edge genetic, diagnostic, and molecular biology technologies. Every year, dozens of tons of potato tubers make their way to Agroscope's Changin site, where their state of health is inspected and analysed with a view to certification. This represents nearly 300,000 seed tubers from multiplier organisations destined for Switzerland's producers. The certification of these potato plants is one of the legal tasks performed by Agroscope, the Swiss Federal Centre of Excellence for Agronomic Research. Owing to its high sensitivity, the PCR method can be applied directly after the harvest on still-dormant tubers, i.e. on tubers that have not yet acquired the capacity to germinate. At this stage, the microorganisms that might be present in the tubers have barely developed and are thus often indetectable with the ELISA immunological assays. Thanks to the greater sensitivity of the new detection method, the chemical products utilized with the previous tests to break dormancy and stimulate the development of any microorganisms that might be present are no longer necessary. The plant virus genetic material is highly sensitive to contamination and is readily degradable. That's why a semi-automated laboratory conforming to the rigorous standards of genetic analysis and with state-of-the-art equipment has been installed at the Agroscope Changin site, at the heart of an applied research environment that is close to farming practice. As well as being rapid, molecular diagnosis is also versatile. Other viruses likely to affect the value of the crops are thus identifiable, and some bacteria as well as certain fungal diseases may also be identifiable in the short term. The process makes use of the latest innovations in genetic sequencing to incorporate quality control of the analyses and the detection of emerging diseases on all of the potato plants used in Switzerland. With these developments, Agroscope provides practitioners with an effective tool allowing them to respond to the highest health inspection requirements in Switzerland, in addition to helping them meet the new challenges facing agriculture in the 21st century.